Welcome back! So, let's dive into the problem we're discussing today. The issue at hand is that when performing a mathematical operation in PostgreSQL involving a real operand in a numeric operand, the result is a double precision value instead of a real. This behavior seems unexpected, especially when considering the implicit type conversions documented in PostgreSQL. Now, let's move on to the solution. The key insights provided shed light on why PostgreSQL chooses double precision as the result in this scenario. The documentation explains that in mixed-type mathematical operations, like the one in question, the type appearing later in a specific list is favored. Furthermore, the preference for double precision over real in numeric is confirmed by checking the PG_type table for type preferences within the numeric types category. In summary, PostgreSQL's choice of double precision, as the result in this case, is based on the type preference hierarchy and the rules governing mixed-type mathematical operations. With that, we wrap up our explanation. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Thanks for watching.